I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming power and documenting the model. Once done, charge the case and both earbuds to a minimal level so batteries are safer to handle. Next, place the set on an anti-static mat, remove ear tips, and use a plastic pry to open seams slowly. Metal tools can damage plastic clips. Make sure to photograph connector positions for reassembly. Finally, use your multimeter to check case output and each bud's contact voltage before proceeding. You now inspect internal components methodically. First, clean all contact pads and flex cables with 90% isopropyl and a soft brush. Corrosion often kills connections. Then measure battery cells and speaker impedance. If a battery reads under 3.6 volts, plan a swap. Carefully reseat the flex cable connectors, and if you see cracked solder joints, reflow them with a low-temp iron. Avoid excessive heat. Keep track of small screws, and confirm you finish by reassembling the earbuds in the exact reverse order, verifying connectors align and screws sit flush. Over-tightening can crack housings. Once closed, perform a cold start and pair to your device. Run audio tracks, mic tests, and confirm charging case LED behavior. If a problem remains, reset the device firmware and rerun electrical checks. One key troubleshooting tip: if intermittent audio continues, check antenna/ground traces and reflow those specific joints. Transient shorts are common after
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.